Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.